Hi there. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Notion Mail. Imagine if your email inbox organizes itself and that your email list aren't sorted by the date anymore, but organized by your own custom workflows. For the past 20 years, email has not changed at all. What Notion is doing is they're taking email and breaking it down to its score building blocks. You can also create an email view where it is filtered to only show, for example, customer support emails or receipts, and invoices or even recruiting emails grouped according to the status of the applicants, like they showed in the demo. A Notion Mail will also have its own email templates. I don't know about you, but I'm super excited for Notion Mail. I think going through my emails will actually be fun. Let me know what you guys think. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please comment down below us and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.